Alright, we're fucking back. I don't know what episode this is. But, on this episode, we're just gonna go and beat all the fucking trainers' asses. That's basically what we're gonna do. First thing we're gonna do is, I think it's this house. Alright, perfect. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna fight them in order of the way we're supposed to fight them. So, oh, hold on, let me fucking go get it, man, real quick. I don't know how strong they are. They're probably gonna be strong as shit, to be honest. But we're just gonna do it till we win. Yeah, we're gonna start with it, man. Let's get the life orb. Whoever's supposed to have that. Yes, give. Alright, let's go do this. First up, we got Sharon. We're gonna do it in order. Trimecal. Level fucking 90. Oh. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. Love to see it. Are we dead ass? Are we dead ass right now? Okay, wait. We can just... And he lived? Oh my fucking god. What is that? Oh my lord. Hold on. If Ip Man is like... if he's faster, which I don't fucking know. Oh my god, he's gonna sweep. He's gonna sweep it. Ip Man's gonna sweep it. Oh yeah, there's no way I'm faster than this fucker. Oh! That's fine. That's honestly perfect, dude. He killed, what, 3 Pokemon already off rip? That's actually perfect. Yeah, start Raptor. If he's faster, yeah, okay, yeah. Slow as shit. Dude, Ip Man just put in some fucking work right there. Yeah, keep him out. He more likely has Thunderbolt though. Or Ice Beam, never fucking mind. And it just fucking beat my ass, alright. Kevin, you got this. Sacred Sword. Alright, I don't know why I thought he didn't. Ip Man, you might have just done all that work for fucking nothing. I'm dead ass. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm faster. Wait, what? Oh my god, never mind. I lied. And it's a Snorlax. Okay. Just keep beating him up. That's fine. Oh, I get paralyzed? Are we serious? Are we like serious? I'm gonna get paralyzed? Alright, fuck you, bro. Flamethrower. That did nothing. Wait, okay, hold on. Get paralyzed. Oh, perfect! Huge! Yep. Another one. Dude, that's fine, honestly. Because Chad's gonna come in and just fucking beat his ass now with Dragon Claws. Bam! That's it. First one down. 1 out of fucking however many more to go. Okay, so what? Next is Roxanne. And... what is it? A poison, right? Let's see. Yeah, let's just... Yeah. Alright, let's go. Got Roxanne. Are all these are single battles, right? Oh, shit. Okay, a Wheezing. Just I saw. Super effective. Doesn't kill? That's nice. Oh, okay. Toxicroak. What is... okay. It's poison fighting, right? Yeah. Yeah, psychic. Yep, alright. That's 4 times effective. Yep. Garbodor. Do I not remember what this Pokemon is? Yeah, it's this fucking. Super effective. Oh, shit. Tank it. Tank it. Fuck out of here. Let's go. Scolipede. We'll throw in Charizard for that, actually. Flamethrower. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, are we serious? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine, that should just kill, because he wasted it. Nice. Nice. Nido Queen, whatever the fuck you want to get called. Yeah, just throw him back out. Hit it with another sidekick. Dude, this game is so much easier when everything's fully evolved and your Pokemon just aren't shit. It makes the game so much better. Crobat. The Pokemon with the electric move is dead. So, yeah. Oh, this is the last Pokemon. Oh, yeah. That's fine, as long as it's not annoying. That's still fine. Oh, yeah, you're dead. Alright, then you didn't do shit. So what's next? The grass motherfucker. Okay. We can probably just throw Charizard out and he can do whatever. Actually, I don't want to throw Charizard out immediately. Yeah, sure. What's that one annoying, like, Cloyster or Cluster? I don't fucking know what it's called. Oh yeah, bro, exactly what I fucking read like a book. Like a book, motherfucker. Okay, my question is, like, does this even fucking do anything? Like what? Oh, lunch should hurt him, right? Never mind. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that at all. That's very scary. Well, shit. All right, we might just be fucked right there. Oh, we missed. Perfect. Heracross. Yeah, we can. Okay, the Heracross should be like slow as shit compared to me. Yep, yep, yep. That's fine. Don't matter. 4 times effective. Fuck out of here. Scissor. That's perfect. Throw Charizard back out. Flamethrower. Perfect, perfect. Masquerain. Yeah, just keep Charizard out. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. What is Masquerain? It's Flying Fire? I don't know. Okay, okay. Why? Oh, you didn't kill? And you got paralyzed! Fuck you! So problem is that we're probably gonna die. Actually, hold on. We might be fine. Oh, my fuck. Dude, are you dead ass? No, you're a bitch. Oh, my lord. That's the most, like, bitch thing I've seen, bro. Is it just stuck on Hydro Pump? Like... Dude, it's Waterfall. If it's a fire type, right? I don't know what it was, but it killed. That's... I'm happy with that. Yon Mega. Yep. So, okay, Brave Bird. That's no. No, 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 no. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up right now. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, why did that do so fucking much? Oh my god. And just a Levene. Okay. We outspeed? No. No outspeed. Oh yeah, okay, that did nothing. Yeah, it did fucking nothing. No damage. Okay, hold on. That did way more. Bro, we're kind of like steamrolling this. Hold on. We're doing pretty solid right now. I thought this was going to, like, basically be the whole video. We're doing pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing there. Go over here. Next we have her. So what can I... More than likely she's going to start with the Emolga, right? Yeah, just fuck it, Hitman. When in doubt, just Hitman it out. Dude, at least they're not triple battles, bro. Triple battles had me just losing my shit. Oh, okay. Really? We're gonna be like that already? Okay. Fucking alright, my bad. Holy shit. We're just already gonna get butt fucked like that? Fuck out of here. Ampharos. Ampharos is a dragon type in this game. Ampharos is indeed a dragon type. And get taken out. Fuck! I did not want that. Hold on. Wait. You know, I should have seen that. I should have seen that coming. I should have fucking seen that coming. Bro, what? You're faster than me? What the fuck? Alright, sure. Holy shit. I wasn't fucking expecting Electrifier to be that fucking fast. Insane behavior. Oh, dude, yeah, no, we're cooked. We're done for. I was talking too much shit, talking about like, oh, yo, like, this game, we're going pretty smoothly right now. Now here's where it starts. Here's where it fucking starts. On a goddamn Electrifier. This is where it fucking goes downhill. Oh my god, he just, like, actually raped. Okay. So Electrifier just beat our shit in. That's fucking awesome. I love that. Okay, we're not starting with Kevin. We're not. Emolga. Yeah, just try attack. Okay, that was annoying. Straight to Ampharos. Alright. No. Typical. Fucking typical. That's awesome. Alright, let's get it, man. Just... They didn't want to use fucking full restores last time. Now all of a sudden they want to fucking use them no matter what. Oh my lord. Yeah, no shit, it's gonna not fucking do anything. Hold on. Hit it. Nice. Good, 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 good. Oh, yikes. Dude, he kills everything on my team, I'm pretty sure. Like, I don't think I have anything that actually can, like, withstand this. Like I said, I don't fucking have anything that can withstand this. Oh, wait, just, yep, miss. That works for me. And we live. Perfect. Well, that worked out, I guess. Okay, Electros, we just flamethrower. Oh my lord, I thought he had it. No, never mind. He didn't fucking do what I thought he was gonna do. Galvantula, same shit. And we get thundered. Dude, we're not. Shit, dude. We're just getting fucking booty touched. Yeah, we just take an L here. That is what we do. Alright. So far, I have no idea what we're supposed to do. I think I know. But I don't know. Quite the predicament. Hold on, we'll come back to it. We'll fucking come back to it. No, we have to beam in order. That's the whole point. That's the whole point of this. I can't switch them around. We have to keep going till we win. Till we beat this. Okay, so... Wait not to get staticked. That kills. Sadly. That's the problem, is that it fucking kills. Is Charizard... Charizard, are you faster? The answer's fucking no. The answer's no. Why would any of my Pokemon be relatively... Oh, wow, alright. Why would any of my Pokemon be faster? Why would I even think that was an option? Yep. Why would I think, you know? Dude, the Electrifier... Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, no, it just has Cross Chop, right? Yeah, fucking Christ. Oh, but it misses, though. It misses. Dude, perfect. That's perfect, actually. It's probably still gonna kill. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, you're not. You ain't killing shit. Zip striker. Oh my god, dude. Just... Bro, this is it. This is the run. This is amazing. I couldn't ask for, like, 3 better things to happen right there. I'm serious. Okay. He's gonna do that, though. Oh, he's going into Electros? Hold on, I don't know. What if... What, just Braybird? I'm faster? That does nothing. Okay, nice to know. And Braybird, or Star Raptor's dead. Well, that, I can't help you there. I just fucked that up. Fucking Christ, are we serious? Are we fucking serious? I'm not gonna use a full restore, bro. I ain't a bitch like that. But I'm gonna get fucking killed. That's what is gonna happen. Motherfucker, dude. I thought I had it, and just fucking no. Galvantula, he's just gonna use fucking... Oh my lord. Is that his last Pokemon, Galvantula? Yeah, it was. Fucking Christ, dude. Wait, did I kill the Emolga? Am I tripping? Oh, I guess I did. With fucking Hitman. Alright, what? Fucking rinse and repeat. Hope we get fucking lucky again, basically. We're not faster. We're slower and everything. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. This kills. Honestly, should get fucking... Oh god, what's it called? Something, yeah. I should get something. Okay, fuck you too. Nice. Not very nice. I didn't like that. Okay, that's not very nice at all. Okay, dude, are you fucking shitting me? You are like Papa. This is fun. The Electrifier honestly like beats the shit out of me. I can't really like do much to it. Like it kills everything in one shot, and I just don't know what to do. It one-shots everything on my team. Like I really don't have anything for this. Even Kevin. Kevin gets fucking bodied. Everyone gets fucking bodied by this thing. The Ice Punch doesn't fucking help. Okay, well, that helps. That helped a lot, actually. Galvantula, can we do the same thing? Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. Didn't mean to even do that. And Thunder, okay. Alright. We thought this was gonna be easy, and I fucking lied to myself. Jesus Christ, dude. This is fucking terrible already. Can we not? Chaz. Let's start with Chaz. Let's see how that goes. See what that does for us. Yeah, get intimidated. Oh, Dragonclaw. Nice. Didn't do fucking anything for us. And the Electrifier comes out. Earthquake. Alright. Yeah. So, I'm faster, right? No, I'm not. Dude, what the fuck? This Electrifier generally just beats my ass, and I can't do anything about it, to be honest. Wow, that did a lot. Oh? Jesus Christ, dude. This electrifier is so fucking annoying. Like, it genuinely is annoying. It kind of just, like, shits on everything I do, no matter what. And this fucker comes in and does thunder. Hits a thunder every time. Probably has fucking some lens bullshit, whatever it's called. That don't do shit to Charizard. Get the fuck out of my face. Okay. Alright. How many Pokemon? He has 3. What the fuck? I don't even know. Just do something. And you get static. Awesome. Love it. Zubstrika comes out. You're gonna use bounce? Oh, I'm a fighting type. I forget about that. Great game. 10 out of 10. A million out of fucking 10, actually. It's so fun. Like, so fucking fun. Oh my god. Fucking do anything to this bullshit. Actually, what if... Staraptor doesn't really do anything. Like, I don't think. I don't know. Brave Bird? No. Wait, land a Brave Bird. Yes! Huge. Not good enough. Electro Ball? Live it? Fuck no, I guess. I didn't want to fucking live it anyway. Oh my fucking god, bro. We're gonna get static after fucking static. Insane. Fucking insane. Yeah, what the fuck ever. Yeah, it kills. Why does it fucking have a charged up Acrobat? It's so fucking stupid, bro. And every single one of his Pokemons is fucking faster, so I can't do shit about it. I just fucking take it. Take it to the fucking dome every fucking time. And this fucking Ampharos. Annoying ass Ampharos. Wow, that fucking does something. He's gonna learn every fucking major attack. Because fuck this game. That is not who I wanted to send out. Fuck it, am I gonna get statics again too? No, not this time. Alright, Charizard. Just do something. What the fuck was that? Why? Why didn't you just do thunder or some shit? Did the game just have a fucking, like, aneurysm because of that? I don't fucking know. I don't know what happened. Charizard's the only one who can survive it, and that's dead ass it. The only thing for this is we hope we just bust the fucking... Oh, like that. That's basically what we hope for. Exactly that. Okay, wait, hold on. How many Pokemon does he have left? He has 2. Okay. Are we fucking dead ass? When did Bounce start doing that? When did Bounce charge fucking... Bro, what? You can get paralyzed off a Bounce? I did not fucking know that. Okay. And now my water Pokemon just... Hey, just don't die off of fucking... We're faster. It doesn't fucking matter. Yes, it fucking does matter! Get the fuck out of here! Tired of your shit. Wait, I win, right? I'm the one who won? What is... No way! Are you fucking serious, dude? What happened to it? I thought if their Pokemon goes down first, I fucking win. Is that not a thing in Gen 5? Or is that just specifically a thing in this game to be a fucking piece of shit? Are you fucking serious? Oh my god, I don't want to keep fucking fighting this. Goddamn. I don't even know, like, what the fuck to do, man. Kevin, just come out, man. We're gonna see if Kevin can even do anything. It's flying fire, or fire, what the fuck? Flying electric. Holy shit, that actually did a lot of damage. What the hell? Too bad it doesn't kill. That probably kills. What the fuck? That did a lot of damage. Just fake out, yeah. A Zubstrika. Right, Chaz? You're faster? I think Chaz is faster. I lied. Dude, are you fucking serious? Why the fuck does that cause paralyzation? I really don't understand that shit. That's fucking stupid to me. I don't understand how that fucking works at all. Electrovirus coming out. Fucking yippee-ki-yay. This is awesome. Amazing. Exactly what I fucking wanted. Alright, let's do this. Because Chaz is a fucking lost cause. He's gonna die. That blaze kick. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ip Man. I don't know what the fuck that was, but dude, good shit, buddy. Good fucking shit. Way to fucking do that. Okay, that does nothing. It's whatever. Just keep doing it. That's fine. What, does he have anything for Chaz? Can I just, like... Okay, yeah. Good shit. The Galvantula can just waste a Thunder or something. Sure. Sure. Or sure. Does fucking nothing. And dead. Alright. Love to fucking see it. Electros comes out. Just, Sure. That's fine, okay. What the fuck? What just happened? Okay. That was fucking easy as hell. What? Alright. Who's fucking next? Skylar? Oh no, it's fucking... I don't even know his name. I don't remember his name. The cowboy guy. What is... He's a ground? Is that what his, like, thing is? Let's see. Wait, if he's just a ground type, then... If he's a ground type, then we can just do this. Fake out? Power punch? Oh my... Never mind, dude. We did nothing. What the fuck was that? Shit, alright. Nice. That might have been Mammo Swarm. That might have been fucking huge if we didn't kill him. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Are we serious? Outsped by a Mamoswine? What are we doing here? Is it just locked in the fucking Earthquake? Is that its whole thing? We had a fucking Golurk, that's awesome. Flinch, asshole. Or just fucking die, that's perfect too. That's perfect as well. Seismic Toad. Oh, faster? Okay. Wait, okay, hold on. We're faster than this. This thing dies. This thing easily gets killed. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we take the lead. Right, this does fucking half, yeah. That's fine. Nice. Okay, so now here's the thing. Crocodile. Yeah, Throwing Star Raptor. Close. Oh, and it was a crit and the Moxie. Fuck me, dude. Are we serious? Fucking Christ, dude. Oh my god, yes, dude. Perfect. Okay, so for this, we're gonna get Chaz. Yep, lower, and then Earthquake. Are you fucking kidding me? Are we fucking serious right now, Chaz? You have one fucking job, and you can't fucking do it. He just went off of a fucking flinch. Are we dead ass? Oh my fucking god, dude. Stupidest shit ever. Oh my fucking god, Porygon! No fucking shot. No fucking shot. What in the fuck was that sequence right there? What the fuck actually was that whole ass sequence? That was fucking terrible. Stupid ass shit, dude, I swear. He gets thawed out after one fucking thing is insane. I hate this game, dude. genuinely hate this fucking game sometimes. Fuck your Hippowdon. He doesn't die. And full restore. Okay. Play like a bitch. I didn't know, bro. Challenge mode, like, oh, it's supposed to be harder. Apparently not. Apparently, they're fucking playing like a bitch. They have to do that. Because I'm better. That's why. I'm just better. So they have to play like a bitch. Come on, Kevin. Let's go. Earthquake. Yeah. Dead. Let's go faster. Why is that shit slow as hell? Golurk. And we're faster. And a dead. Alright. Seismic Toad comes out. That's perfectly fine. Okay. We're gonna throw back Porygon. Nice. Good. Good Porygon. Crocodile. We're faster, if I'm correct. Yeah, if I remember correctly. Does not kill. Okay, so... yeah, okay. Because he used his shit. Yep. Perfectly fine. And now, Ip Man comes out. Fake out. Nice. Power up punch. Alright. Alright, Chaz. Don't fucking fail me, buddy. Just land an earthquake. Thank you. Thank God, dude. That's all you had to do the first time, and we've never had it done that. But no, you didn't want to fucking do it the first time. You wanted to be annoying about it and fucking fail. What's next? Skylar? She's probably, knowing the game, it's probably gonna lead with something that's not fucking effective to, Thunderbolts. So, I don't know. I'm just glad these aren't fucking triple battles. That's all I care about. So, yeah, fuck it, just go. Oh my fucking God, dude. Every time I speak about something, I'm just like, alright, glad it's not fucking this or that. No, psych, get the fuck out of here. Fucking Christ, dude. What is drift? What is the fucking... oh my Lord. Fucking bullshit. Every time, too. Wait, what? I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing here. It's Ghost, right? No, my word, brother, are you fucking serious? It's just one shots too. Okay, that's fine. Hurricane, nice. Yeah, I fucking love it. Are we serious right now? Bro, this just fucking triple Hurricane? Oh my God. Fuck this, dude. This is actually fucking ass. They just live everything, too. Every fucking thing. Sure, what the fuck ever. Okay, so Sigalith is down. Whatever the fuck his name is, I don't care. It missed. Good. Perfect. Get the crunch. Oh my God, and we're back in the fucking game. And we're back in this bitch, just like that. Just like that. Oh, no. Wait, yeah, this, and then that. And then just... sure. Good. Who the fuck just got... who did that? I don't know. What the fuck? That did no fucking damage. Oh, wait, okay. Star Raptor's down. Okay, what does that do? Wait, okay. Hold on, so let's think about this. Is there anything I can do? It's a fairy type, right? So that, and then fake out. That's fine. What the fuck? Okay, dude. I thought I caught it. Oh my lord. Are we dead ass? I thought I couldn't go fully across the damn screen, and it just proved me the fuck wrong. Stop fucking, don't do that shit. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is fucking awesome. I love this game. 10 out of fucking 10. No, it's not. It's fucking dog shit. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Are you fucking serious though, dude? Like, are we dead ass? Everything else is a 1v1, but when it gets to fucking Skylar with the most annoyingest fucking team, no, fuck you. We're not gonna do that. Oh my god, course. Of fucking course. Because why not? Why would it not have fucking Ice Beam? What haven't I got? Wow. Why not? Why would it fucking not? Okay. Why would not everything I fight just have Ice Beam and make my life easier? Why would it? The whole point of the game is to make my life shit. Oh. Dude, that doesn't do shit. The flamethrower doesn't do fucking shit to the Togepi. It's made of fucking titanium fucking lead. I don't know what the fuck it's made out of. Nice, of course. Who would have saw that shit coming? Nice, and we're confused too. Wow, and it's gonna do it back to fucking back. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Not me. Not fucking me. I can tell you that right now. I would never have thought that. Nice. Whoa, we're faster and everything. So that's something good, I guess. Maybe. Maybe fucking not. Maybe it's fucking not good. Dude, it doesn't matter. Hurricane can reach across the fucking map. Oh my fucking god, dude. Of course it has fucking Ice Beam as well. Just why would it not? Fucking bullshit. I hate this 3v3 so fucking much. Just, why would it not? Like, deadass, why the fuck would it not? Yeah, Braybird that. Flamethrower. Okay, it does nothing. Didn't kill. Good. And now... Never mind, we're fucking slower. I forget about that. Are you fucking serious? Motherfucker, dude. Wait, that should kill. Yeah, okay. Typical. What else would it be fucking doing? Okay, we got Chaz. We got that motherfucker. Okay. Typical. Why the fuck would it not? Hit the drift blow. Live this, live this. Just why would it, you know? Oh my god, and why the fuck not? Why actually the fuck not? Dude, are you fucking kidding me, man? Typical. Fucking typical, dude. Typical ass shit. Wow, the dragon type with the fairy type is the last fucking thing here. Oh wait, he's only locked into Hurricane. It doesn't fucking matter. Doesn't fucking matter. Now does it? Man, fuck this, dude. Are you fucking serious? He just has Choice Scarf fucking Hurricane. The most annoyingest shit ever. Fuck you, dude. Okay, he just gets fucking Ice Beam, so what? They're all gonna get fucking Ice Beam. Actually, hold on. Jesus Christ, man. The first, like, 4 battles went so good, and it just went completely fucking downhill. It genuinely just went, like, astronomically terribly. I don't even fucking know. Just, sure. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. I love it. I love to fucking see it. Oh my fucking god, are we serious, bro? Every fucking time it's gonna do that. That's generally pissing me off. It generally gets me pissed off every fucking time. This is stupid as shit, bro. I didn't know Hurricane could fucking do that over and fucking over. That's insane, to be honest. Fucking god, dude. I don't even know what to fucking do. This shit's so dumb. Of course it doesn't fucking kill. Why would it? Why would it ever fucking kill? Oh my fucking god! Dude, I don't know what the fucking... Yeah, get... whatever. Typical. It's gonna fucking live. Typical, it's gonna fucking live. Alright, what are you gonna do fucking here? Typical. Wait, okay, wait. Just land us in headbutt, right? Yeah, just land us in headbutt. Are you fucking kidding me? You're the most useless fucking Pokemon ever, Chaz. Ever! Every fucking time! Every fucking time! I just need you to land a move and you fucking fail it every time. Every fucking time, dude. You're a piece of shit. Fucking worst Pokemon ever. You're a dog shit fucking Pseudo, dude. I swear to God. So fucking stupid, bro. This is the most dumbest shit ever. Let's just do a 3v3 for no fucking reason and just spam Hurricane. Why can Hurricane make you confused like 50% of the time? What the fuck is this? This is generally making me fucking question everything. It's pissing me the fuck off and I hate it. What the fuck? It killed last time, but all of a sudden it can't do shit now? What the fuck is this, dude? What in the actual fuck is this, dude? Just fucking annoying. Every time, too. Oh my god, wait. Hold the fuck up. It keeps missing. Wait, what the fuck? Well, I don't know what to do now. It threw me off completely. We dead ass. Are we fucking serious, dude? Are we fucking actually serious? Oh, that's fucking huge. Amazing. That's actually really fucking good. Yeah, wait, okay, so Togepiss is fucking dead. Alright, we finally win. All I had to do was miss 3 fucking all it took was me crashing out and just missing 3 hurricanes in a row, and we fucking do it finally. Jesus Christ, dude. Fuck this game sometimes. I'm dead ass. Just made me flip shit for fucking nothing. What is it, Dragon now? Fucking put Chad in front. Maybe you can fucking be useful for once. Instead of just pissing me the fuck off. Does he have a fucking life orb, right? Yeah. Yeah, second to last. And then we have the water guy. Yeah, I'm so glad. That's just dumb as shit. Of course we're slower. Why the fuck would we not? Why would we just not? It doesn't kill. Nice. Love that. Love to see that. Porygon. Yo, honestly, if Porygon knew Ice Beam, this shit would probably be so easy. He would just fucking kill everything in one hit and be over with. But no. Just fucking no. Oh, he's locked into it? Yeah. No Salamence. Nice. Sure. Nice. Yep. Oh, and you got Moxie. Wow, that's awesome. Didn't see that coming. Didn't see that coming at all. Oh, and everyone's dead. Look at that. Fucking yippee-ki-yay. Yippee fucking ki-yay. Alright, let's see how more this can just annoy me. How much more can this shit annoy me? Thunderbolt? No. I don't think he's considered a fucking... Holy shit, are you serious? I don't fucking know, dude. That's an L on my part. Oh, wait, hold on, faster. Nice. Salamence? Nice. Take it out. Nice, good shit, Chaz. Finally fucking doing something. Hydreigon. Let's bring in Kevin. Because... yeah. Good shit. Garchomp. That's fine. Just lower it, chip at it, that's fine. Just chip. Okay, Chaz. You can tank a hit. Maybe, hopefully. Yes, you can. Yes, you fucking can. You're like that. Oh, are you fucking serious? Oh, wait, he's trapped in Outrage, right? Yeah. So, that's fine. We'll just take a little damage. And then Haxorus, which should definitely be slower. Fucking not? Never mind? Are we fucking serious? Oh, it's slower than Charizard, though. Okay, yeah. Fucking Christ. I should just throw out Charizard. I didn't think... Oh, my God. Fuck me, dude. Yeah, whatever. You just rinse and fucking repeat over and over. Who did you throw out last time? Fuck, I don't even know who we threw out last time. Salamence? Or no, Dredagon, that's right, yeah. We're faster than Dredagon, so it doesn't fucking matter. What the fuck? He lives on 1 HP this time? I mean, get the fuck out of here with this dumbass shit, dude. You're genuinely pissing me the fuck off half the time. Fucking stupid. Oh, of course. Of fucking course. Doesn't do shit for fucking damage either. Fucking annoying, dude. Like, genuinely. That's big, that's big. Wait, okay, hold on. Nice, nice. Hold on, wait. He's not faster. Typical. Fucking typical, dude. I don't even know why I thought he fucking was. Yep, whatever. Of course it does. Of course it does it like that. And now we're in the same fucking situation. Jesus Christ, dude. Are you fucking serious? Well, let's see if Charizard can just take out the shit ass Flygon. How fast is 206? Oh, dude, okay. Charizard's faster than it, so let's see if Charizard can take out the Flygon. I don't have fucking Dragon Pulse or anything. That would be fucking huge right now to have. I'm so dumb, bro. I forget Porygon gets a goddamn boost. And that just ruins it. What can we send out for this? Do we want Porygon for this? Okay, doesn't fucking matter. Actually, that does fucking matter. I'm tripping. It's gonna send out the height, yeah, whatever. Whoa, I just sent out the wrong Pokemon. Yeah, I'm dumb. I'm dumb as shit for this. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? I wasn't paying attention. All I saw was blue, and I didn't fucking... I'm so fucking stupid, dude. Fuck this game. Like, genuinely, fuck this goddamn game half the time. Get the fuck out of my face, dude. You're so fucking annoying. Oh my god, I don't even have the fucking Dredagon killed? Are we fucking serious right now? Oh my fucking god, dude. Whatever. What the fuck ever. I don't have fucking shit for this. It's gonna full restore like a little bitch-ass game. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my god, dude. I'm so fucking stupid. Just don't fucking pay attention, you just lose the fucking game like that. No, who the fuck cares? Honestly, let's just fucking throw out Staraptor. Just do a fucking Brave Bird. Shit's so fucking stupid anyway. I'm slower? Are we dead ass? It's a fucking crit? Are we fucking serious? Dude, what the fuck's the point of me half the time fucking sending anyone in if they're just gonna get fucking critted over and over? Dude, I swear the crit rate in this fucking game is way higher than I've ever fucking seen in my life. Wow, at least you can fucking take it out. Good shit. Way to fucking do something right. What, Salamancer's coming the fuck out? Whatever, dude. I don't fucking care. Oh, wow. Moxie. Moxie, fucking Moxie. What the fuck ever, dude. Charizard's faster, right? I don't fucking know. The answer is I don't know. There's your fucking answer. Okay, now it's fucking faster. That helps out. Okay, how about we don't fuck this up this time, and we throw out Kevin. We throw out the right fucking person to do this. Get the fuck out, dude. So he comes out. Yeah, whatever. Dragon Claw. That's fucking dead. The Garchomp, which we can take a hit from. What the fuck? I swear to God he can take a hit. Did I, like, imagine that? Did I just fucking make it up last time? Was he not able to fucking take a hit? What the fuck? This shit's so fucking stupid, dude. So he has to die. So what happens now is that Charizard has to, he has to hit himself. Wait, hold on. Oh my fucking God. We might have just been fucking gifted. Never fucking mind. Anytime I think fucking anything, it's just not gonna work out. It's just not gonna fucking work out. Dude, Staraptor can't fucking take a hit, apparently. I did not know that. I thought he was well fucking capable of doing that. Apparently the fuck not. I was wrong. Dude, I don't even fucking know. I don't even fucking know. I'm getting so mad and irritated about this dumb ass shit of a game. Just go in. Just go in. Just land a fucking... whatever. Oh, crit. Nice. Nice. Way to get a crit. So now, wait. Charizard outspeeds. Charizard 100% outspeeds. That's dead. The Salamence comes out. What the fuck did I do for Salamence last time? I swear to God I sent out Chaz, and he fucking took care of it. Apparently that was not fucking right at all. You get the fuck out of here, dude. Fuck you. Fuck you completely. This shit's pissing me off, dude. Because there's like 3 times where I should have won, I just decided to fucking choke it like a retard. Like an actual fucking dumbass. What the fuck? What is he living for? I don't understand. Like, sometimes there's like a fully kills, and other times it doesn't fucking want to. Am I missing something? Explain to me what the fuck I'm missing. No, it's just Garchomp and Haxorus, is it not? Dude, fucking typical, bro. I don't got shit for this. I deadass don't got fucking anything. That's all it is. That's all it's gonna fucking be, too. You can't take a fucking hit, dude. Oh my God, we're just slower in every fucking way. It's genuinely like, what the fuck, dude? Charizard's slower for the outrage, so he can't fucking live it. I don't fucking know how fast this goddamn Garchomp is. Apparently he's faster than fucking speed of sound himself. Fucking insane, dude. I genuinely fucking hate it. Right, we're just gonna keep fucking doing it, bro. Everyone just levels up. Basically, we're gonna win from fucking level. It's not even from actually fucking doing the shit right. I just decided to keep fucking choking it, because why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? You know, shits and giggles. No, Charizard, can you kill, or you just don't want to fucking do it this time? Get the fuck out of here, bro. Say the same thing to fucking my bitch ass salamence. Made a fucking bitch and fucking shit. Okay, nice. Nice, we had a fucking, that helps. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Dread gun. What the fuck am I using? I'm pretty sure I'm just faster. Nice, alright. Oh, we're just throwing out fucking Porygon, right? It's just Garchomp? Yeah? Oh my fucking god, dude. Are we serious? No, thank god, dude. That's honestly the only thing that could just save me right there. Everything else is gonna fucking beat my ass. Dude, just keep him out. We don't gotta do shit. Just keep him out. Never fucking mind. Okay, Charizard's faster. But that should be it then. This should just be 100% it. Thank you. Oh my god, dude. That was so dumb. No, I don't want to fucking fight you again. I want to do fucking shit about that. Yeah, Porygon Z. Okay, so this last one. Very last fucking guy we have to face. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, we dead ass? Oh wait, hell yeah. Thank you. What the fuck, dude? He's just eating it. Okay. I don't even fucking know. Alright, Kevin. Fucking Mega Horn the fuck out of this guy. Typical. Nice, perfect. I don't know how fast Kingdra is, I really don't. He's faster, that's fucking whatever. I definitely feel like I should keep, I don't know. Whatever. We gotta figure it the fuck out. We're slower. We fucking live though. That's a bet. Jellicent, that's fine. Okay. Okay, whatever. It's gonna full restore, because, yeah. Or not, never mind, who cares? A Float Soul? I'm about to say, dude, I was about to be so mad if I just died right there. And a Cloyster, okay. Wow, easy ass fucking final fight right there. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? And that's it. And that, we just fucking did it. Actually, I'm gonna fucking go fight in. Fuck it, dude. He's technically the last fucker I have to fight anyway. Or actually, we're not gonna fight in. We're not gonna fight in yet. Let's go and beat up this loser over here. Yeah, this damn loser. I don't even know what he starts with. The fucking cat? Is that what he starts with usually? No, it's that bit. He starts with the dumbass Swallow. That's what it is. That could have been so helpful, buddy. For my fucking Meloetta. Oh, dude. Why are you so fucking weak, bro? What the fuck? I thought you were gonna be, like, way stronger. Alright, this is just gonna be a fucking... He's just getting his ass beat. Electros. Whatever. Sure, Kevin. Whatever. Oh, yeah, this is free, dude. This is completely free. Your strongest Pokemon. Okay, I thought this was gonna be. I thought you'd have like level 90s as well, but I guess not. I guess the game did not fuck with that idea. For whatever reason, I don't know. That is rough. Okay, now it's annoying. Just everyone's using full restores now. Honestly, we should have started the episode with Steve Howe, whatever the fuck his name is. I don't care what his name is. Yep. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Might be like one of the worst armies. And alright, that's it. Yeah. Alright, that was fucking terrible. Yeah, we're gonna go fight in. I thought that was gonna be like way harder. But it's my rival. I should have expected nothing less. He sucks. He's ass. Genuinely fucking dog shit. To be fair, Cynthia's right there. We can, yeah, I guess we can fight. What? Should we do that? No. We'll fight, because if I'm right, you fight like all the champions last. Because we saw Steven and fucking Wally over there. Yeah, let's just go fight in. Because he only has one Pokemon, and it's just the Zekrom. The question is, who the fuck should I start with? Go down. Okay, there it is. There's the damn Zoroark anyway. Go in. Don't care for that Pokemon. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever the hell you just said. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's go. What the fuck? You can find Pokemon in here? I don't fucking care to do that. I don't fucking care about that red shard either. Sure. Blah, blah, blah. You're depressed, you hate your life, and you think you're a loser. We get it. You failed on completing anything. Yeah, sure. Easy grab. Easy flame. And then, yep. This is where you got your ass beat and all your hopes and dreams went to shit. Now let's go. So that means, like, he literally abandoned every other fucking Pokemon besides her Zekrom, right? That's basically what that means. Like, he straight up said, I don't fucking like my Pokemon anymore. And, yeah. Oh, okay. What the hell? Why does Bullstrike look like that? It looks shittier. So... Okay, we're just gonna get booty touched here, bro. I don't fucking... Oh, wow. Oh, wow, okay. I thought he was just gonna do, like, fucking outrage or some shit. No, we're actually just gonna get fucking killed. Okay. I didn't know Bulk Strike just kills everyone on my team like this. What the heck? What is going on? Yo, yo, pop it. No, okay. Okay. Yo, maybe we're not ready for this. Maybe we're not ready for this at all. Yeah, we're not ready for this. We're not doing this. We're gonna go fight Cynthia. I lied. We are going to just go fight Cynthia. Actually, we might just do that next episode. Because we have like 4 people to go fight or something. We have a lot of people to go fight. Yeah, fuck it. Let's go beat her ass. I don't care. What's up? How doodly? What's she starting with? You know, I should have known this. I should have absolutely known that she was cool. Wow, that Willow, not Willow, that fucking Spiritomb is slow as shit. I don't really care. Do you have any attacking moves? Okay, why didn't you just do that in the first place? What the fuck was the point of that? There was no point whatsoever. Oh no, oh no. No, that just made me look dumb as hell. Okay, can I just use a Thunderbolt? Thanks. That generally just made me look stupid as shit for trying that. Yeah, Charizard just flamethrower. Are we fucking serious, dude? Oh my fucking god. Wow, I can't even beat the fucking Spiritomb. Oh, we're just ass. We're just ass. The Spiritomb's just gonna fucking beat the shit out of me. Because why not? That doesn't kill. Nothing fucking kills the Spiritomb already. That's awesome. What is... It's a fairy. It's weak to fairy. That's its only fucking weakness. Wow, dude. Are we just... This is it? This is the fucking fight right there? Annoying as shit. A Milotic. Alright. Let's see if we can do fucking something with this shit. The answer is no. The answer is just no. We're not doing anything with it. Yeah, that actually did pretty decent damage. Hey, alright. We got this. We got this. What am I saying? No, we don't. No, we don't got this. It's over. Actually, hold on. Nope, never mind. Nah, that was it. That's where we just got. Oh, we're faster anyway. Chess, wake up! Are we, oh, wow. 3. 3! Do I hear a 4? No. Alright. Hey, Lucario. Oh! Nope, not even. We are just not able. Not able to fucking do shit. Okay. Let's see. We just start with Porygon and not be freaking retarded this time. Can we do that? That is what we should have done in the first place. But we decided not to do that. Decided just to get our shit kicked in and then be stupid. Perfect. 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 That's what I like to see. And now he's throwing out Lucario. And we're going to throw out Ip Man. There you go. Close combat. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Close combat. Oh, he got greedy. He got greedy. Stupid, bro. Garchomp. Alright. Let's see what this does for us. 90 fucking 6. Are you serious right now? Oh, yeah. Yes, bro. Love to see it. I didn't think that through. I didn't think that through. I did not think that through. Oh, he missed. He missed. Only if you had Dragon Claw, not Dragon Rush. Yep, yep. Oh, my lord. That is amazing to see. You love to see it. You love to see that. Yeah, you love to see that, dead ass. Amazing. Fucking amazing right there. Cynthia ain't shit, dog. Cynthia isn't fucking shit. Yeah, you're done, bro. It's over. Your last Pokemon's a Roserade. That's just gonna get shit on by, Charizard. Throw in Charizard. Charizard hasn't gone in once. Flamethrower. Boom. Done. Alright. Oh, we serious? Oh, and he got burned anyway. It doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't fucking matter. Just like that. Get the fuck out of here. Easy ass fucking fight, Cynthia. Garbage. Garbage. Alright, yeah, we literally have, like, we're gonna do one more fight. We have one more fight. It's against the champion. The double champ, Steve and fucking Wallace. What, over here? Okay, okay. And they're in this house, right? Absolutely. Let's fucking, what? Steel and... Yeah. What, steel and water? Okay. Get the fuck out of my way. Here we go. Here we go. Holy shit. They are strong as fuck. Okay, I did not... Oh my god. Okay. Holy shit, we don't even do half? Okay, that's fucking dead. That's bet. Perfect. We're faster than a Sharpedo? Also, I didn't kill? What? Bro, what? What just happened? Dude, please. Please don't have full restores. Like, I beggeth. I beggeth you not to. Oh god, dude. Oh god. Oh god, dude. This is insane. What? That did that normally? Okay, dude. Sharpedo is made out of fucking glass. What? That's gonna fucking kill them. Wait, yeah, we're just faster. I don't know. Wait, yeah, I don't really know what the... Okay, never mind. We are not faster. What? Why did that do... Oh, because it was... I was doing special damage, not normal damage. Oh yeah, that's Ice Beam. That's gonna take me out. Okay. Yeah, we can do this. We can do this. If Kevin's doing that much fucking damage... Yeah, this is over. Okay. I thought we were just gonna get beat up. Yeah, we're doing this, yeah. We're doing it right now, actually. What, yeah, that, and then... Kevin. Oh my fucking god. Alright, let me use this one. Do I have to, like, actually use it, or I just have to go in it? I don't know. I really don't know. There we go, we got these two assholes. And then... Yeah. Okay. Drizzle, blah, 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 blah. Waterfall, and then thunder. Doesn't matter, it still kills. Get out of here. Good. Waterfall does... Oh, and he flinched. He flinched. This is perfect. Bam! Get out of here. Oh, it stands on my one. That's fine. That's fine. That kills. That's dead. Alright, throw it at man. Power up punch. Are we serious right now? We're gonna do that? We're gonna be like that? Whatever. Okay, yeah, waterfall and then Brave Bird. Bam! Made of paper. Made of actual paper. Get the fuck out of my face. What's his last Pokemon? Chaz, go in there. Oh, it's a Gyarados. There. Wait, what? Wait, hold the fuck up. They both have 6 Pokemon? Are we fucking serious? Oh, nah, this is unreal. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, we're cooked. Bro, what? I thought I just, like, won easy as hell. Who the fuck just used Power Whip? Alright, sure. That doesn't do anything. So they both have 6 Pokemon apiece, though? That's what it fucking seems like. He's gonna use Ice Beam, yeah, that kills. Yeah, this is insane. I didn't even know that. Yeah. That's something. Okay, well, this is gonna be fucking terrible now. I thought this was gonna be like an easy ass dub for a second, and I just realized that's not right. Or I'm just wrong. No, hold on, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna do this now. Are we dead ass? That's just how that's gonna be, though. Okay, this went from easy to really fucking hard real quick. Like, real fucking quick. Yeah, Metagross, that. Yep. Hold on. Sure. I don't even know. Okay. Wait, because he's gonna target Charizard, right? Never mind, I lied. He has an aggro. He has a aggro. Okay. Sure. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. My shit's gone. I thought I knew what I was gonna do, and now it's just gone. I missed the Hydro Pump. That's huge. Nice, nice. Wait a minute. That's good. The Aerodactyl. Okay. You can't win them all. And his fucking Milotic is fast as shit. Okay, maybe we're not gonna be able to do this how I thought we were going to. Yeah, we're cooked. We're fucking done. Oh wow, we lived. We flinched though, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is hard. This is hard. This is hard. So what? I basically need to kill the Pelipper? Oh, I can't even fucking pronounce it. Yeah, I'm bamboozled. You got me there, bro. You got 12 Pokemon versus my 6? Okay. Well, no, I can't have him die then. I just realized that. Alright, that's... Jeez Christ, he's gonna use Hurricane. And that automatically just fucking eliminates anything I thought I was gonna do. What in the fuck am I doing, dude? What is this? I was like, what actually is this right now? Like, this is insane. Okay. The Kabutops? That's cool. I guess. I don't... I'm at a loss for words, man. I don't know. I don't really know how to handle this. I'm just basically gonna be a freaking level 100 and come back to do this, I guess. Oh, he's dead. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I got none. Dead ass got not a single thing. Okay, that kills. And then there's head smash. I don't know, yeah. We're gonna have to honestly come back to this. I got nothing for it. I really don't. Because I have to, like... I basically have to, like, one-shot, and I'm not strong enough for that. I don't have a strong enough move or anything. Hitman's just weak as shit. He can't really help out that much. Like, unless I, like... Do I have a Focus Man? Because I don't... We have a Choice Scarf. That does nothing. The Life Orb? No. Tell me I don't have a Focus Man? What is this? An item available. Like, I would basically just have to give this to him. And then we just hope. This might gonna be my last attempt. Because I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell I even have to do with this. So, yeah. I really don't know. Could not fucking tell you what I'm really supposed to be doing here. So he, like, live it? No. No, he's not. Yeesh. Like, this is all I can think of. Like, I'm serious. This is really all I can think of. But the Sharpedo comes out. I guess if I can get Porygon past the Sharpedo, I'm fine. Oh, wait, what? What the fuck? He didn't even bring out the Sharpedo. Wow, you just tanked that. Oh yeah, now I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to figure it out, I don't know. Well, now that, what? That just kills, right? Yeah, he just kills. That just free kills all day for him. And then Stone Edge, Rock Slide, Head Smash. Huh. What was now? Sharpedo? Oh no, the Ludicota. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I got nothing. This is it. Alright, that's cool. Doesn't really matter. Oh, he didn't even use it on. Alright. I don't know. Sure. Whatever. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back to this, guys. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I cannot tell you what I should do here. We're just gonna end the episode right here. This is it. Next episode we might, I don't know. But yeah. I hope you have a good day.